Hey, what's up guys, Jedi here. Welcome to another video. Today I'm here to show you a mechanical keyboard with hot-swappable switches, but there's a catch. Let's find out. Inside the box we have the user manual, the USB-C cable, a tool to remove the keycaps, tool to remove the switches, and 2 spare switches. The USB-C cable feels well made, it's braided, and the connection looks good. Here are the tools to remove the keycaps and switches, and these are the switches. Here is a comparison with another switch that I bought for another project. These black switches don't have any pin connection in the bottom. I don't know how that works. Oh yeah, and by the way, they are like a blue switch, a clone of a clone blue switch. And this is what the keyboard look like. It has some weight to it, feels really good. And the bottom is the switch to turn on, and here what it looked like with the LEDs on. And now here is what it sounds like, just a regular blue switch. And well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll leave the links in the description. Take care. Bye.